Evening. I'm Classics and Sportscars vlog channel. I'm out at Challock and it is Wednesday the 18th of June 2025 at the small Ford car gathering. It's only very small, unfortunately. Not many people turned up. They usually have a better car event here of an evening car meet on Fridays. Escort Mexico, and you've got an XR2 Fiesta. Someone's up there doing some measuring up of their shed over there, somewhat. The Capri 280 with leather interior. I've got the window open, can just have a look. Got a nice black leather interior into it. Do like walk around vehicles, we do, really do. Do subscribe to my channel please, as all helps. And also I apologise in advance if I happen to fall over or get any incorrect info. Just the way it goes on his channel. Very nice inside. Digital screens. The Ford Anglia. It's been modified. More people just turning up. Another Escort, modified, Cosworth. Two more people in full focuses. Three more people in the full focuses turned up. This one's for sale if anyone wants it. Got a Cosworth engine in it. 16 turbo, so very powerful. The Fiesta. An RS 1800. Yeah. Very nice wheels. Very nice wheels. Nice green alloy wheels. Nice truck here. We'll swing around to that in a minute. American truck here. Full custom. White and blue. Someone's hood in the back. Not sure whose, but it has. Probably to do with that Escort, no doubt. Very nice truck. We have an American 50s, 60s. Got a dip there, so nearly fell over, as I say. Henry Ford steel on it. Got a Mini there. It's been here before, that one. A yellow Fiesta. CTEC S. We've got another newish Fiesta there, 72 plate. It's all very nice. Been a bit of an accident, that one has, but someone's hit it. It's a little bit breezy here this evening, so apologise for the wind if you can hear that, but hopefully you won't. It's got a bit of damage on the side there. It's hit something or someone's hit them. An Escort Cabriolet with leather interior. Going back salted. Rearranged the letters of Escort. Memory of Jamie. Fraudulent. And that's the Focus ST. The Fiesta there. That's probably an ST as well. We have, let's say, Fraudulent Cars and Coffee and Cake, Sunday 29th of June, Sutton Community Centre, East Downs Road, East Stoodle, Dover and Kent. That's, you know, that's an ST in white. Going on a wander. But by the look of it, 4 RS Cosworths. All of them are more or less registrations. All in different colours, of course. But they're all got the same seats inside as one another. They're not much really different. All have Recaro sport seats in them.
Literally 20 minutes and run around it. Who injured him? Yeah, he literally was like get the words off. Yeah, it was like go, wasn't it?
Someone turned up in the XR4i.
That's the first thing I said when I turned up.
You what, sorry?
Someone should turn up in the XR4i over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. They tipped over like this.
Right part behind it.
Of course, well.
That's his engine. Look at that. That's an A registration. Really old they are. They're all the same, more or less inside to one another. Some people. Oh, they're popping at the end. Thought they were off. Mum thought they're disappearing. Got Focus RS. Another one in white, to the same. And another one in green. And you've got a blue ST at the end. There. I've just turned up with her XR4i, an A registration. And there's a fan at the front, right in the middle. Cloth interior and back headrests as well. Very nice, very old, very swish. Very nice swishy wheels as well. Yeah, sports wheels, very nice. Probably aftermarket, but I mean, it's still nice. Nothing wrong with them. Nothing wrong with them at all. I've locked the car up, so it's difficult to see inside, but carry on. Another aftermarket with sports wheels to them, in green. That one is, this one's for sale if anyone's interested in. It's a 3-door RS 500 rep, 37,500. Call Paul on that number. And that's in red, that is. RS 500, not 600, 500 Cosworth. That's for sale.
Somebody who's got them would know. Oh yeah. So they look at something particular and go, that's not it. Yeah. So if you can change the bumper, change
Well, that's got the newer dash of grey round surround. That one has. There was the next one up. A lot of them have the black dash around. That one's got the grey surround. But that's on an A though, really, and that's D. A bit of change there, slightly inside. That's another RS 500 there, same as the red one. Got BMW here. Wrong day, wrong month. Got an Escort. These were nice in their time. A lot of sports ones always had Recaro seats in them. The RS Turbo. Red as well. It's got aftermarket wheels on it. They bought their van. So it's got a caterer in. They all have Recaro seats in, and they're all more about the same as one another. Might be slightly different colour in the seating, but they're more or less about the same design. M3 competition BMW. Not sure whose, but there you go. So I just turned up with their van. And looks like a caterer. I'm just going to have a look. It's a Westfield. Yeah. Very the same as like a caterer, aren't they?
Yeah, very similar.
Westfield Duratec 2 litre L16 valve. Yep. Oh, someone else is turning up.
We'd have to try and find somewhere getting rid of the asbestos. We'll take it off. Obviously.
They look very nice with 2 American vehicles sat down the end. Now, this Mini's always here, as I said, but I'm not sure whose it is. It might belong to one of the owners, or we don't know. They also do food here, and they always have done. It's a very nice place, very sociable place to come here to eat. This is sited out in Challock here, in Ashford. They've got drop-down struts for the front shield, so that can be taken off. Now, there isn't many really turned up here today, unfortunately, but it's the way things are. You know, can't do a lot about it. They do, as I've been told, they do have a good Friday evening meet here of cars of an evening, so I might try and come out here one evening again and see what goes on. I'm going to say goodbye now from Classics and Sportscars vlog channel. And it's Wednesday, the 18th of June, 25. No doubt I should be back out here sometime again. So do subscribe to my channel and do give some likes to it, please, as all helps.